boots on the ground, putting it down, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. As you know, The Scoop is for your education, your information, and your entertainment only. Not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I do deep research on these companies, and I put it in black and white for you so you can have it for days, weeks, and months to come, my friends. It's something that I've enjoyed doing ever since I was in journalism class in high school. So, my friends, yeah, journalism, a lot of things. You remember we used to go to shop class and learn how to work on cars and stuff? We used to do things like that. They don't even have those classes anymore. Some of you are probably wondering, what am I talking about? You know, used to have the ladies used to have home ec and used to learn how to cook and learn how to change diapers and do all these different things. You know, men did this and women did. Remember the good old days? Well, my friends, those days are way gone. I guess I'm a little gray there. You know what I mean? It's a little gray there. We had a lot of fun with it, my friends. As you know, Scoop, we try and have a lot of fun here. We've had fun lately, though. What a week, though. What's going on here, my friends? You know, GameStop and from there to silver and this and that. I mean, it's really silver was a tough nut to crack for those people trying to get in there, you know, and do what they had to do and work their program, you know, we'll call it. But it was kind of. You know, it showed a side of Wall Street that is kind of vulnerable a little bit, you know, and if you leave yourself out there, you short, you know, 100, 140%, what have you, you know, you can get in trouble. And some people made money and some people lost money. That's the way it goes. That's just business, guy. Minute here, I'm going to tell you about the Mexico cannabis stocks here. And what's going on here, my friends. And this is the trade of the year. This will be the cannabis trade of the year, my friends. This Mexico cannabis trade that we've been focusing in on here. This will be the cannabis trade of the year. Sure, we're going to keep our eye on the American cannabis companies that we love. You know, our Green Thumb, our True Leaves, you know, we're going to keep an eye on those companies, Planet 13, all those companies are great companies and they're going to do well. But something tells me that Mexico is going to be legalizing before America. We're going to drag our feet again, and I'm not sure we're going to get anything done this year, even though it's a priority. Some people in Congress, they just want to vote in the Senate. It just no matter what. It's, you know, do you want to make your family billionaires? No, you know, it doesn't matter. It just there's that bickering going on, and we may not get anything done. That's just just something that is in my heart, and I just wanted to pass it out to you. Does that mean our stocks are not going to go up? No, they're going to go up because they're expanding. As we have elections, and like we had 5 states kind of come on board, you know, in one way or another, that is helping the industry as a whole. So things are happening, my friends, and it's going to be great for this industry. But keep an eye on, you know, Wall Street bets. Keep an eye on the news of what's going on, and I had a text. I've been telling my, you know, one of my sons about stocks for a long time, you know, and Junior, he texted me about something about Wall Street bets and bringing Wall Street to his knees. He's that's what he texted me about. So it was good to, you know, that he thinks that that's what happened. But 2 days later, somebody's lost a lot of money. Who? I don't know, my friends. But we're going to stay focused because at the end of the day, we have to feed our families. We have to do what we have to do, my friends. We have to make dinero. We have to make money, and we have to put it on the table. And I'll be getting, there's people calling, you know the deal, Mickey D, you're so unprofessional. You get phone calls during your show, you get everything. People interrupt you. Your granddaughter, I can hear her in the background. She's yelling too loud. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Everything's going to be A-okay. Let me tell you here, my friends, on November 6th, I told you about this, a couple companies that we were focusing in on Mexico, and the Mexican Senate was doing its thing. Legalization in Mexico has been put off. I'm talking about recreational. Now they have already documented medicinal, and there are companies down there that are working on those companies. We've highlighted what's going on down there right now. We need that legislation just like we need that legislation in America, my friends. Tell you what's happening here. November 6th, I told you guys about Pharmaceo. Now, Pharmaceo is a dynamite company, my friends, in my opinion. I liked it at $4 or $5. I liked it at $6. Well, it was down below 50 cents on November 6th. And I told you, these guys have 260 football fields of growing space. 260. I mean, they got a lot of growing space there. Bottom line, this company closed today at $1.54. Now, what November 6th, my friends, is not very. That's just a little while ago. That's not very. Today. We're talking February 2nd today, so that wasn't very long ago. They're already going up. They're doing their thing. Well, today they had some good news. And if you guys can recall, when we did the Canadian cannabis trade and the companies were getting their licenses, they were getting their certifications, which were very, very important for those companies. Well, Pharmaceo has been certified GMP. Now, that's good manufacturing practices, which is good throughout this system. I'm talking about they're going to get GMP certified also in Europe. So they've been GMP certified there. But, my friends, the big news I want to tell you is they're looking forward to being GMP certified in Mexico second quarter. So expect that to happen, my friends. And Pharmaceo Mexico has already initiated a pre-audit process where that's going to be, they expect it to be happening here the second quarter. So they will have the certifications that they need, my friends. They will be exporting product. The product there is good and it's cheap. And I've told people before, you guys, if you can remember back in the 60s and the 70s or something, some of you, that particular product was a good sound product coming from Colombia. Everybody wanted that Colombian weed. Talk of America, talk of the free world. We wanted everything. So I believe those days may be coming back. Who knows, my friends? Those days may be coming back. But when you look at Colombia, you look at Peru, what's going on down there, you look at Brazil, and you look at the big Chihuahua down there, you look at Mexico, because Mexico's a big market, my friends, and it's going to do very, very well. So Pharmaceo, PCLOF on the over-the-counter, and it's got a Canadian symbol also, but I'll have that written for you. I'll have it up there for you. So the three amigos that we have, we talk about blueberries. We're eating our blueberries, and we're doing what we have to do with our blueberries. So they're going to be very, very good, and Blueberry Medical is going to do well. Blueberry Medical maybe, and also KHRN, both of those maybe, all three of them may be kind of buyout candidates, shall we say, one day. They may be, there's a possibility. There's another big kahuna down there. I'll mention on another broadcast. But these three, with KHRN, in fact, KHRN right now is using like the True Leaf strategy. Kim Rivers down there in Florida, and they've been very, very successful. in Florida. But their strategies to do the clinic deal, do the clinic route, set up clinics in the neighborhood, and have a lot of those clinics do exceptionally well, and I'm pretty sure they'll do well also in if you get them in the right spots in Peru, Colombia, Brazil, and Mexico, they will do the right thing there. And especially they're talking about, you're talking about cosmetics. You're talking about a less of a stringent route to foods. Sorry about that. It happens. To foods, a less stringent route. So guys, this is the trade this year. This Mexico cannabis trade is the trade this year. It's going to be a great trade for the scoop. We're on it. We're out early. We were on it first. Guys will come along and say, hey, that Pharmaceo is really good. Well, it was better at 42 cents. Would you agree? That Chiron is, it's better at under 30 cents USD. We liked it. That Blueberry Medical, that's something else. It's going up. It's already over 50 cents. But we liked it at 3 cents and 4 cents. That's where we backed up the truck. So, my friends, stick with the plan. Have your own plan. And let's look forward to the big time as this cannabis rolls out in Mexico and the cannabis rolls out in America, the United States of America. Now, it may not happen overnight, my friends. It takes time. We don't chase them. We replace them. We wait for pullbacks, and then that's when we go ahead and do our thing, No, we didn't have a pullback with our stocks with our silver stocks. We didn't have a pullback. So some people were out there buying the golden minerals, out there buying it when it was up, 20%. That's not a pullback when it's up 20%. Wait for it to come down 20%, then you're talking. So that's what we're looking at, my friends. We're looking at this has been an update on the Mexico cannabis trade. This trade is alive and well, and this is going to be one of the best trades ever in the history. Well, after last year, it's going to be one of the best trades ever in the history of the scoop. After last year, though, with backing up the truck with high blockchain, and we expect it to go to maybe $5 this year. Wow, let's see where it goes. We're early. We'll see if we'll see if Bitcoin pans out. We'll just see how it goes, guys. Take it a day at a time. And if we go over that, we're in that range. Been telling you about it. We get out of that range a little bit. Elon Musk said something. We went out of that range. We're out of that range right now. I guess we're around 30, 35, 36, over 35. So I've been saying that 30 to 35 range is very, very important. When we get out of that 35 range, it's time to head up and start taking notice and seeing what's going on. We go down below 30, 31, 30, it's time to take a look and see what's going on, you guys. So with that said, have a plan. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe, like. So we'd love to have you on board. Appreciate your comments, my friends. Just jot them down. Let me know. If you got a favorite marijuana stock out there, let me know. If you have a favorite Bitcoin stock out there or a favorite crypto stock, let me know. If you think this stock's going to blow up, we'll take a look at it. That's what we do, my friends. And I will be giving you probably on Thursday, maybe Thursday or Friday, I'll be giving you a solar stock that we're excited about, but the stock is kind of running away from us, and it's got to pull back, and we think it's going to pull back. They have a big meeting on Thursday, and maybe there'll be maybe the market will take it as bad news, and then they'll come down a little bit before we put this thing out there, because I can't stand putting a stock out there that runs, and then it falls down on its face when I put it out there and just say I don't like that. I don't like that. I see now that once these stocks pull back, then that's when I like letting you know about them once they pull back, because they're decent companies. But you have 3 amigos in the race here, great companies. I'm talking about Blueberry Medical. I'm talking about Chiron Life Sciences. I'm talking about Pharmaceo. Those are the horses that we're riding as we go on this venture in Mexico, my friends. And when we were down there doing our research, you guys know we met a drug dealer that also had a family that owned a pharmacy. And he broke it down to me. He said, Mickey, this is how it's going to go. The cartel's going to get theirs, the pharmacy's going to get theirs, and the government's going to get theirs. It's going to be split 3 ways. All we want, my friends, is we have government officials running the companies that we're affiliated with, former government officials. We have the pharmacies, which are locked in with the government. We're in the game. That's all I'm saying, guys, is we're in the game. No matter how you slice it, we are in there with our companies. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Be safe out there, my friends. Mask is not, wear your mask. They're saying double up on masks. Now, you have to, get that shot in the arm. Do whatever you have to do for you and your family to be safe and sound, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of all of your family. Do what you have to do. Take care.